All right, we're just going to do a quick and dirty video here on a blower motor resistor. I think this is a 2002 Chevy Silverado HD, and the blower motor actually works on it. It just only works on high. See, you got it on 4 here. Nothing. You turn it on 5. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but the blower motor works, but it only works on 5. So 9 times out of 10, that's going to be a blower resistor. So we're going to go in and replace that. Got to take this cover off right here. It's usually a 7mm, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So let me get this cover off real quick. I'll show you where the bolts are at, and then we'll pull this down. All right, so I kind of expected this. Got a mouse house in here. I hate mice too. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out a little bit. There's 2 bolts, one here and one here, and then I think there's one on the other side. But anyway, I got to deal with this real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all this crap out, literally, and then we'll get to the resistor. All right, once you get that cover out of the way, you got the resistor right here. I'm going to go ahead and pull the 2 bolts out. I already got the one in the back out. It's back over here. You can see it pretty easily once you're under here. I'll pull this one out, rest of the way. Now this should pull down, and then I'm going to test the wires. It actually looks like it's, oh yeah. I say it looks like it's relatively newer, but yeah, it might be. So let's test the wires real quick, make sure that they're working, and then we'll actually see where the mouse chewed on the back wire on the red one here. But the red one has to be good because it's got power on high. So what we're going to check are these wires here to see if they're all getting power, depending on where the thing is, where the switch is located. All right, so we're just going to test the wiring on this. This does look like a new blower resistor. So maybe we got another problem besides the actual resistor. Maybe we got a wiring problem. So this orange wire here is supposed to be hot all the time, with the key on, and it's hot all the time. I went ahead and printed out the wiring pin out here. So the next one is supposed to be high blower control, and it's not lit up, but I'm on number 4. Let's put on number 5. So we got high blower control there. The next one is blower control 2. So you're gonna skip, you got the orange, the next one's ground, and then you're gonna skip it to the green here. Let's put that on number 2. All right, number 2, so that's working. And then the next one, purple, is number 3. So right now it's not lit up. We'll turn the knob to number 3. And it's lit up. And then the lower control is yellow, which I guess is number 1. Switch it to number 1. And we're on that. And then the last one, I don't know why I didn't put them in order, but they didn't. And then the last one is tan, which is supposed to be number 1, medium, which I guess is technically number 2. So anyway, that means the wiring is good. The blower motor works. Actually, the blower motor looks new also. So someone's already chased this problem once. And so we're going to take the 2 wires off the blower motor. You can see here, you got a black and a red, and those definitely work because the blower motor works. So we're going to go ahead and unplug this, and then I'm going to order one. When I looked online, there was like 5 different versions of this to order, so I'm not going to order it yet until I get this out and then see. This is a 2002 Silverado HD 2500 with a 6.0 in it. I don't know what it matters. I guess it's automatic and manual HVAC. This has regular manual HVAC in it, but for whatever reason, there's like 4 of these listed, so I'm going to make sure I get the right one. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and unhook it from the blower motor, and then we'll go get the right one, put it in, make sure it works. All right, so I got the new one. Just going to plug this in into the motor, and then we'll put this back up there and test it real quick. And it's kind of annoying trying to get this plugged and unplugged from the blower motor, not gonna lie. got to kind of reach behind there and plug it in. So my head will be in the way if I try to do that while it's on camera. So I'm just going to do it real quick. So I just got it up there. Got the connectors back in, and we're going to just put the 2 volts back in. That should be it, and then we'll test it. Turn the key on, we'll give it a test. All right, so hopefully you can hear that. Kind of rolling. It's at 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have them all back. So that's pretty much it on changing resistor. It's pretty simple. Put that cover back on over the bottom here, and then you're done. So not much to it. Just an easy way to test it with that test light to see if that's what it is. If it only works on high, that's the default setting. And more than likely it's going to be your resistor. So anyway, that's how I tested how to put it in on a 2002 Chevy Silverado. Thanks for watching. As always, God bless.